Hello guys and welcome to Video Cater channel. My name is Mehdi Chalak and in this short tutorial I'm gonna show you how to ramp up speeds by using a simple expression in After Effects. So let's jump into the After Effects and do that. So as you see, I got a few pinwheels here in the comp in a separate layer. I'm gonna animate them. Let's start with this one. Just hit R to open rotation properties. I hit Alt and click to open expression property. Just simply write Math.pow parenthesis. Inside the parentheses we have two values. The first value is gonna be the base number, could be any number. I put 10. The second one is exponent, which is a number 2. So you can see the result right here. 10 power 2 is 100. What if I put variable as exponent instead of a number that changes over the time? Let's say we put time as a variable for the exponent part. Let's play and see the result. So you can see it begins slowly and then speeding up, and that's exactly what we need. We can have a different result with the different numbers. So let's say 6 for this one. Let's copy this expression and paste it for the other pinwheels. As you see, we can have a different result with the different numbers. And simply you can change the rotation direction by multiply it with -1. I think that's it for today. Hope you guys like this video. If you want to see more of this video, please hit the subscribe button right below the video, and see you guys soon.